In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a customer payment in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply a payment to an open invoice so your records stay accurate and up to date. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're in the correct company file. If you work with multiple companies, double check the company name at the top to avoid posting to the wrong books. A steady internet connection helps prevent any saving issues while you work. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and go to Sales, then choose Invoices. This page lists all your invoices with their current status. If you have a lot of activity, consider using the filters to view open or overdue invoices so you can quickly find the one you're expecting payment for. You can also search by invoice number, customer, or amount. Before you proceed, confirm the customer, the invoice date, and the remaining balance so you apply the payment to the right transaction. Click the invoice you want to receive payment for to open it, then select the Receive Payment button. This takes you to the payment screen where you'll record the details. Here's where accuracy matters. Enter the amount received, the payment date, and the payment method. Choose the method that matches what you actually received, such as cash, check, bank transfer, or credit card, so your reporting remains consistent. If you have a reference or check number, add it to the appropriate field to make reconciliation easier later. Take a moment to choose where the money is going in the deposit to field. If you plan to combine multiple payments into a single bank deposit, use undeposited funds. If this is a single payment that went straight into a specific bank account, select that account instead. If the customer paid less than the full amount, that's fine. Enter the partial amount, and QuickBooks will keep track of the remaining balance on the invoice. Make sure the correct invoice is checked in the list below and that the payment amount is allocated to it. If you see any credits or overpayments available, review how they're applied before saving. When everything looks right, click Save to update the invoice status. QuickBooks will mark the invoice as paid or partially paid based on what you entered, and you'll see the change reflected on the invoices page. That's all you need to accurately record a customer payment and keep your accounts clean and current.